So today we are going to see tsconfig.json file and some of the terms what we should know inside this file. Okay, so let's start with these terms. Firstly, we will see what's the meaning of strict. If we are enabling strict, what it will do. Okay, so strict basically means, let's take an example, like if I am having a variable where a is equal to 20, and if I'm creating same variable with the same name, like where a is equal to 30 with different value. Okay, but at this time if my strict is enabled, it will not allow me to do that. Okay, so that's the meaning of strict. Now let's see what's the meaning of outDir. Let's find out outDir. Outdir basically means the directory to output the compiled JavaScript file. So if I'm enabling this outDir now, so whatever JavaScript file will compile, whatever the TypeScript is compiling and it's giving the TS is basically compiling and giving the JS, so that JS file will be inside this directory. So this is the definition of outDir, the directory to output the compiled JavaScript files. Okay, now let's see next term, rootDir. So if I am enabling this rootDir, so what's the meaning of the term like rootDir? Rootdir basically means the root directory of the TypeScript file. So this is the root directory of the TypeScript file. Okay, now let's see next term. We are having include. So what's the meaning of include? Include basically is an array of file directory pattern to include in the compilation. It means that what files we want during the compilation. So here we can see that I have added include src. So that's the meaning of include. Now let's see exclude means. So exclude basically means an array of file directory patterns to exclude from the compilation. It means what I want that these files should not include. Basically this should exclude when I'm compiling the things. So that files, that folders we can mention inside this. Here we can see that I am excluding my node modules. So what it will do? It will exclude from the compilation. These files will basically exclude from the compilation. This is the meaning of exclude. Now let's see another term, like we are having target. So what's the meaning of target? Target basically means the version of JavaScript to compile to. Here we can see that we are having the target at ES5, ECMAScript 5. So this is the version of JavaScript to compile to. Okay, now let's see what's the meaning of module. Module basically means the module system to use, which module system we are basically using. So this is the meaning of module. I hope you understand the terms, and these are quite important terms we should know if we have to do some modification things. I hope you understand. Thank you.